What's happening, my little plant peeps? We're at Fairview Garden Center today, and we have some wonderful perennials to show you. Delosperma, which is hardy ice plant, is the common name. And I just wanted to hold this up. It's actually planted down below in this wonderful raised bed. Full sun, amazing perennial, gives you a lot of color through the summer. And they even have verbena on a stick. It's called Bonacerius is the scientific name. That gives you your height and interest in this bed and this wonderful contrast that it can create. You know, layers, textures, color differences, it all goes together. And that's why we're here to show you as many different varieties of plants as we can, because we want to put the wow in your garden and help you achieve success. But just a wonderful perennial. It has a semi-evergreen, depending on the cold nature of your state that you live in. So it is mainly evergreen in our area. And it comes back every year and it gets wider and wider. And it's an amazing plant because it can blend, as you see here, it's all blended together. So it creates a matting effect. And you know, these are awesome for erosion solutions. If you have some sloping that you want to make sure you can knit that soil, this is a great plant to even add to that. Containers, raised beds, you know, foundational areas, etc. Check it out, hardy ice plant. We'll see you in the next video, guys.